Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Customer call me no power. So let's see what is the problem. Turn it on. Okay. Then also we press the power button. So no response. So no power. Samsung washing machine. So we'll open this. Then we'll see the AC bulb present or not. For turn it on. So we'll remove. There are two screws. Just remove the screws. Remove the screws, and there are also 1 2 3 4 screws. We have to remove the 4 screws. So dear viewers, now we'll check the AC bulb. See, it's a neutral and a live wire. So we have connected. So there is AC voltage present. Okay, so it should turn it on, but then it's not turning on. See, press, no power. So that means a fault is this PCB board. See, this PCB board has gone. See, the power IC has gone. So actually we don't repair PCB board, we change new. Then we'll ask the customer what is the decision, then we'll change new. Dear viewers, we have new PCB board. Okay. This new PCB board. So yeah, please fix and see how is it. It's a very easy to install. You just buy new and install it. So dear viewers, already we have connected all the connector. So let's see how is it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, start. Press the start button. Yeah. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah. So we will fix back all the screws and cover. Then video will be back. So just fault only this. Dear viewers, alhamdulillah, it has done. So it was fault only this PCB board. Slow. It's very slow.